Welcome to this video on technology for teaching and learning, focusing on the characteristics of ICT tools for learning. Digital learning integrates technology into lessons as a means to achieve learning. It follows an input-process-output model, where digital resources and technological integration lead to desired learning outcomes. Digital learning resources are course materials that support learners in achieving specific goals, leading to targeted skill acquisition, conceptual understanding, and practical application. Technology is purposefully selected, not arbitrary. Digital learning resources can be categorized into 4 content and media formats: visuals and graphics, multimedia, interactive environments, and structured learning modules. These represent the content payload delivered to the learner. The hardware ecosystem for digital learning includes computing devices, presentation tools, capture and storage, and specialty media devices. This hardware provides the physical infrastructure to access and manipulate digital content. Modern digital tools possess 12 distinct characteristics that fundamentally change how learning occurs. These characteristics include being across devices, mobile, dynamic, personalized, and connected, among others. The first characteristic is across devices. Content can be accessed across multiple hardware platforms, primarily driven by cloud services. This allows students to transition seamlessly between devices without losing progress. The second characteristic is mobile. The proliferation of mobile devices allows students to be online anywhere, at any time. Learning is no longer confined to the physical classroom or a static desktop lab. The third characteristic is dynamic. Humans and technologies constantly co-evolve. We incorporate tools, our behaviors change, and the technology updates to better serve our new behaviors. The fourth characteristic is personalized. Digital environments are curated for individuals. This replaces the one-size-fits-all approach with bespoke environments optimized for a specific learner's workflow. The fifth characteristic is connected. Users are integrated into a global community of peers, often through social networking platforms. This enables crowdsourced problem-solving and peer-to-peer networking beyond the classroom. The sixth characteristic is ubiquitous. This refers to the state of being constantly online. Educational design can assume an always-on connection, thanks to existing Wi-Fi infrastructure almost everywhere, allowing for real-time data integration. Mobile, ubiquitous, and connected are key connectivity concepts. Mobile focuses on spatial freedom, ubiquitous on environmental readiness and infrastructure, and connected on human networks and social links. The seventh characteristic is global. Digital tools enable easy connection with people worldwide. This shift eliminates national boundaries for accessing information and collaboration, fostering cross-cultural partnerships. The eighth characteristic is robust. Modern technology offers high reliability and stability. Educators can confidently rely on these systems for high-stakes assessments and core curriculum, without constant fear of technical collapse. The ninth characteristic is interactive. The web is now an interactive, two-way space. Learners transition from passive consumers to active creators and contributors to educational content. The 10th characteristic is intuitive. Systems are designed for easy understanding and navigation without extensive training. This reduces the cognitive load spent on tool usage, reserving mental energy for the subject matter. The 11th characteristic is free, often utilizing the freemium model. This is characterized by an abundance of zero-cost resources, such as open educational resources. However, unpaid versions may include advertisements or functional limits. The 12th and final characteristic is open. This involves making interactions visible and accessible to broader audiences. This promotes digital scholarship and collaborative research in transparent, open forums. Synthesizing the E4 innovation framework, these 12 characteristics fall under 3 main pillars of a modern digital learning environment. The first pillar is infrastructure and hardware, which defines how and where we connect. Its characteristics are across devices, mobile, robust, and ubiquitous. The second pillar is user experience and economics. This defines the individual learner's interaction with the software, including dynamic, personalized, intuitive, and free characteristics. The third pillar is community and global network, which defines the social and participatory outcomes of the tools. Its characteristics are connected, global, interactive, and open. This E4 innovation framework provides a structure for analyzing and developing contemporary learning tools and platforms. The framework helps identify 4 essential elements for successful digital learning: environment, experience, engagement, and evaluation. Thank you for watching this video on the characteristics of ICT tools for learning. We hope this framework provides a useful structure for your own analysis and development.